Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these earrings. So let's get started. The materials you'll be needing to make this earring are an earring hook, head pins. You could use how many head pins according to how many strands you want, with some seed beads. I have this colorful arrangement, but you could use any colors. I also have some jump rings. This is a bigger jump ring to use for the top part of this earring, where all the other smaller jump rings hang with the strand, and then the small jump rings. The tools I'll be using are this chain nose plier, this round nose plier, a bend nose plier, and a flash cutter since my head pin is a little bit too long. So let's get started onto making this earring. The first thing that you're going to do is put your seed beads on your head pin. I already have them arranged, as you can see, with some seed beads in each head pin. Now we are going to start making the little loops on the head pin so it could become like one piece. So first you're going to take your head pin with your beads, seed beads, bend it. For me, I'm going to cut it since it's again a little bit too long. So I'm going to cut it like about right there, since these are way too long. So like right there, and just cut that. Now I'm going to take my round nose pliers and start making the loop. Just bend it the opposite way. And there we have our first loop. Mainly we're just going to keep on doing the same thing that we did to the first one. So take your head pin, I cut mine and bended it. Now that you have it cut and bent, you only need to cut it if like your head pin is long. And now we're just going to make that loop for it to hang off all the jump rings. And we're just going to keep on doing the same process to all of our little head pin strand. As you can see, I have done all my strands with their little loop on. Now we're going to start opening our smaller jump rings. So I'm just going to take a jump ring, open it with my bend nose plier right here, and my chain nose plier. We're going to open it sideways. You could open them all first and then put in your little strands, but I'm just going to do them now. So I'm going to just put the strands or the loop with the strands inside and just put it back. You want to do that with all of your little strands so they could be attached to one jump ring. After we put our strands and our beads and our jump rings together, we're going to hook them all to this jump ring. You could put them in an order or randomly, but I'm just going to put it in order so my both earrings can match. I'm just open this like this. Nope. Okay. So now that we're done with our strands and our little jump rings attached to them, we're going to start to put it on this big jump ring. I opened mine. You could do a pattern or not do a pattern, but I'm doing like a little pattern so it will match my other earring. So I'm just going to start off with this strand and put it on one side, then the red and yellow, oops, brown, green, and orange. Just leave it open because we are going to attach our earring hook with a jump ring so it could attach to this big jump ring. So first we're just going to start by opening that jump ring. Open it. Add our earring hook and closing it back up. Now we're just going to add it to our big jump ring. And we're going to close the big jump ring up. And if you're using like a thick one like mine, it might be very hard, but just be careful. And there you have your 2 earrings. Here are the earrings. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give a like down below, comment for more video suggestions, and subscribe to this channel to watch more videos like this about jewelry or crafts. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!